Hey everyone, Awesome Kids here, and today we're going to be making these delicious looking edible rainbow raindrop cakes. Ooh, I can't wait to take a bite. It's really simple to make, and it doesn't require a lot of ingredients. You're going to need some agar powder, a Pyrex measuring cup, some food coloring, and an ice ball tray. Alright, let's begin. So you're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of agar powder. Add that to the Pyrex cup. And then you're going to pour in 1½ cups of water into the Pyrex cup as well. But before you pour everything in, just pour a little bit at first here and there so that you can dissolve the agar powder. Once you do that, you can go ahead and pour the rest of the water inside the Pyrex cup. And then you want to give it a stir for a few seconds. Alright, now you want to pour this into the pot and bring the liquid to a boil and then cool it down. Fast forward, boosh! Our liquid is cool now, so we can start making our colors for the raindrop cake. Let's start by making red colored ones first. Since we're not making all the raindrop cakes red, you only need a little bit of the liquid. I made enough to fill up 3 of these spaces in our ice ball tray. Let's do the same thing again and make some orange colored ones now. Need a couple drops of red and yellow food coloring. Give it a mix. And let's fill up 3 more spaces. Alright, time to make some yellow raindrop cakes now. Okay, I left an empty space here, but if you're doing this at home, feel free to fill it up with whatever color you want. Now let's make some cream colored ones. Mix it up. And I'll use the other half of the ice ball tray to make our green raindrop cakes. We got 2 more colors to go. Let's make some blue raindrop cakes now. Fill in 3 spaces. I'm making 3 each because I only have 1 ice ball tray. But if you have more trays at home, you don't need to make only 3. Woo! We're almost finished! Now let's make some purple raindrop cakes. We'll need to mix the red and blue food coloring to make the purple. Let's fill in 3 more empty spaces. Oh no! Got a little bit of the purple in the blue. It should be fine though. Now for the boring part. Put the ice ball trays inside the fridge for an hour. And we're back! After you take it out of the fridge, the raindrop cakes should easily come out of the ice ball tray if you use your finger. But you have to be a bit careful here. Press around the edges so that it pops out. That way your raindrop cakes won't get messed up. Alright, well this part's gonna take a bit, so just sit back and relax while I take everything out.
Wow, this is amazing!
Here it is! I've got them all lined up so that it's a rainbow raindrop cake. Let's slice some of this in half. These raindrop cakes are very soft, so it'll slice easily. You don't really need to use a knife. You can just use a spoon to cut it in half if you want. Here, I'll show you. See? And these raindrop cakes aren't that bad for you either. I know these look super colorful, so just by looking at it, it looks like it'll be delicious. But it's going to taste pretty bland if you follow my steps. If you want to sweeten it up, add some corn syrup or something like that to enhance the taste. Now I'm gonna go ahead and slice a few more of these raindrop cakes and mess around with them because it's super fun to pick at. Alright, remember, all this takes is some agar powder, water, food coloring, a Pyrex cup, and an ice ball tray to make these colorful edible treats. Oh wait, it's not over yet! Bonus time!
Yes!
I just made some regular sized raindrop cakes, but this time I'll go ahead and make some large rainbow raindrop cakes. Minus the large ice ball tray, every other item you need is the same. Instead of a quarter teaspoon, you'll need half a teaspoon of agar powder this time. Same amount of water inside the Pyrex cup. Sorry, I know you already watched me make this once, but I gotta do all these steps again to make the large raindrop cakes. So hang in there and we'll get those large raindrop cakes soon. For the regular raindrop cakes, I mixed the food coloring with the liquid inside the Pyrex cup, but this time, I'll mix the food coloring after I pour all the liquid inside the large ice ball trays. So let's start by making red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now just grab a stirring object and give it a mix. Just like the ice ball tray, I only have one of these large ice ball trays, so we'll only be getting one of each color. Since these are bigger, we need to put this in the fridge for 2 hours.
Boring.
We'll fast forward. And we're back. Everything looks good, so let's take these raindrop cakes out of the tray. Yes, we did it! Here are 6 large raindrop cakes. Let's cut these in half. It's going to be pretty hard to eat these in one bite. Just like the regular size ones, these large raindrop cakes are very soft as well, so you can use a spoon to cut them in half if you want. And if you don't care at all, you can just use your fingers to cut them in half too. Here's a scoop of the yellow raindrop cake. Alright, so whether you make the regular size raindrop cakes, the large ones, or both, you won't be disappointed. It's honestly very simple to make as long as you have all the items and ingredients. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.